Hey y'all, what it is, what it do, it's your boy Jay Smooth. Welcome to another episode of Smooth Customs. Now today, I'm going to be putting the wheels on the LS400. I'm putting these staggered 20-inch wheels. The front ones are 20 by 9.5. The back ones are 20 by 10.5. They're a little wide, so I'm going to have to cut the inside of the wheel well. I might have to roll the fenders, but I'll do that later on once I put the air ride. Yeah, so let's check it out. So the first thing I have to do is it's got this little trim right here, so that's gonna be easy. I'll just unscrew it off. Alright, we're not going to need this, the first thing. Alright, next is we're going to have to, trim this lip. See, it goes in about ½ an inch, so we're going to try to trim it right here and get it chopped down. Alright. Yep. So we trimmed off almost ½ an inch from the fender. So that should give us enough clearance for these wheels. Might have to roll the fenders. We'll see when we drop it. Alright, so now I'm going to do the other side and then we'll work on the front. Actually, I know I haven't done the other side, but I changed my mind. I'm going to put the wheels on now. Might as well.
twice. And for you, I buy it all. Fuck the price. Don't front, girl, we only live once. He get you what he can, I get you what you want. He try to make you D's, we fly to restaurants, take charters overseas, spend afternoons in France. I live wild, take a glimpse of my lifestyle.
Alright, let's go do the other sides. Got it. Let's open the garage and clear some of the smoke. Alright, for this front part, it's going to be a little bit easier because I don't have to do any grinding on this part. So all I'm going to do is take off this trim and slap on the 20s. Now what I'm doing is I'm loosening all the lug nuts before I lift the car up, because then if I try to loosen the lug nuts with the car, lift it up, the wheel might just spin because these are front tires. Anyways. Let's sit back and admire. I'm gonna put these lug nuts away in case I need them.
Man, I be getting fed up with you. I be wanting to have fun. You know what I'm saying? Don't take this shit serious. I'll do it recreational. You know what I'm saying? I don't rap, but I do it right now. Shit. Coke cooking, hammers all in the couch. Bitch niggas keep my name.
There you have it. The LS400 with the 20-inch wheels. They fit. We cut the inside of the wheel wells. I like how it looks, except this thing needs to get low quick. So air ride suspension is on the list. It's coming up. I gotta go through my stuff. I already have the air tank, the compressors. I have the switch box. I have the bags. I think I might need airlines. I have to double check. And I did see this cool wireless remote. It's like the size of like a Fire Stick remote. I was thinking about picking that up and integrating into the system. Well, anyways, we'll see. I want to thank all the new subscribers. We got a lot of subscribers lately. We're on the road to 1,000. I know it seems kind of small, but that's my goal. On the road to 1,000 subscribers right now. That's the short-term goal, and I might do a giveaway. But stay tuned, because that's coming. I'm gonna record all that stuff and get it out to you as soon as possible. And I'm trying to upload videos at least on a weekly basis. So thanks for the support. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Bitches is on my job, shit, you know I'm on the clock. Grinding hard, man, the pimpin' just won't never stop. If you got a problem with it, fuck you bitches, suck a cock.
I don't smoke